Hi, this is Isaac Tawil, Clinical Director at Shining 3D. I'm very excited to introduce to you the little brother to the Shining Elite and Elite Wireless, the Shining ELF. E for ergonomic, L for lightweight, and F for functional. It has all the interior of the Elite except for the photogrammetry portion. So Elite without IPG. Extremely lightweight, only 106 grams. Has 22 millimeters depth of field. Can do everything its big brothers can except for photogrammetry. So if you're looking for a scanner that can do everything that you need for iOS purposes, this is the new legendary scanner. Fast, efficient, lightweight, ergonomic. Everything you need in a scanner and more. Still has all the great modules that we've come to love from the Shining Cloud universe, and of course all the features in iOS that its big brothers do have as well. One of the great features that we've now added into the software that is available with the ELF, Elite, and Elite Wireless is our new IntelliBite software. By using multiple cameras, we are now able to efficiently capture occlusion more accurately. This means less reductions on cases, whether it's full arch or single tooth, and as well as less chair time for your patient. One of our new features, as well as the IntelliBite, is also our plaque management feature. By applying plaque indicator onto the teeth, then scanning pre and post placement, we can actually share with numerical values with our patients. This leads to better oral hygiene maintenance and management. They can scan a QR code, take this home, and be able to share this with a loved one. So between the brand new IntelliBite feature and the plaque management features, we have added new value, not just for the clinician, but also for the patient. If you've been thinking about getting into digital dentistry, the first step is an intraoral scanner. Now is the best time more than ever. If you're looking for an intraoral scanner that can do everything for scanning, the ELF is your answer. Lightweight, very, very manageable to be able to take in from office to office if needed. A simple USB-C cable can do everything you need for an intraoral scanner to do and more with all the added benefits and features. Now is the time to get into scanning, and the ELF is your answer.